Alright, here's the first thing I needed to do was to get this core support, make sure it was straight. I got this yellow piece of, okay, I got it touching, but you can see the gap. We're about 1/4 inch in the center pushed back. And that's why the hood drags when you shut it and it don't want to pop back up. So we're going to go ahead and, this is the only piece that's bent because what had happened, everything's bolted to this right here. And we pushed it back when we got in the wreck. So what I undid is I just undid the hood latch and the air horns and the airbag crash sensor. Just let them hang. And I'll get my tugging device and we'll tug on that a little bit and we'll come back. Alright, I got it pulled out. It's pretty straight now. Touching. If I touch everything, you see how that's welded to this? So if I touch, see how it's not touching right there, but if I touch it to that, it touches, okay? It's touching there, and it's touching there. So if I let go there, it's not touching here, because the string is pulled away here. Okay, but if I touch the string, I know this is a hillbilly way, but okay. Let's get the hood lined up and then we'll work on the bumper cover. Alright, the hood's probably, you can see my hand, it's too high here. It's about half that here. So we're going to go ahead and adjust these stops down and then I don't know if that's even turning. I gotta get a flashlight. Okay, we got the hood down. See now if you look across the hood, you can see it lined up the tops of the fenders. Alright. Alright. Making progress. Alright. Hood's lined up. Okay, it's got a nice gap here. A little bit bigger than I'd like right here, but we can close that up when we go and put the new core support or new header on. But we're going to go ahead and start getting that bumper cover off. So there's a bunch of damn bolts you got to take out to get it off. So we'll get with it. And there it is. The fit is hideous, and I mean hideous. Look at the gap. Look at this gap. Christ, I hope a squirrel don't walk across there, he'll be lost. I mean, I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. I guess I could build it up, but I mean, look at it. It's kind of short here and tall here. Ah, shit. I mean, it's, you run your hand across this sumbitch, it feels like a 72 Pinto come out of northern Michigan. Olabondo. It's horrible. But I guess I can work it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to look around, see if I can't find a factory one. Let's see what happens.